you go to any lane in the country, in metros or big cities, you will find at least 4-5 preschools. But how different we are working, what make us so successful and popular in short span of time.
Hello and welcome to the show Skill Tree Education Evangelist of India, powered by Great Place to Study. Not all successful people are born with a silver spoon in their mouths. In fact, many are born with nothing but just dreams and talent. Today, we have somebody who has achieved success fighting against all odds, somebody who did not have access to many resources, but that did not stop him from chasing his aspirations. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce a true evangelist from the education fraternity. Let's welcome in Mr. S.K. Rathore, founder and chairman of Sanford Group of Schools. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm very good, and this is my pleasure and honor to meet you. And
it's wonderful to be able to talk to you, because I think what you have achieved is quite remarkable. But you're based in Delhi?
yeah, I'm based in Delhi.
And your schools are called Sanford, the brand is Sanford?
Yeah, my school brand is Sanford, and we have today more than 250 schools.
250 schools, and that's what's incredible, because you started in…
We started our first preschool in 1999 for my wife, and we started brand Sanford in 2009 December. This is 10th year running. And
so it's a 10 years of Sanford
Yeah.
schools, and from the first school 10 years ago to 250
yes,
schools.
Yes.
So that's, I mean, my maths, I'll try, that's 25 schools average per year.
Yeah.
That's 2 schools a month. So every 2 weeks you are cutting a ribbon.
Every week we are cutting a ribbon.
Wow.
Now we have accelerated the growth, and today every month we open 4 to 5 schools.
Wow. Every month you're opening 4 to 5 schools.
The maximum growth happened in last 3 years. So today we have more than 15,000 students studying in our different schools. Our presence in India, Nepal and Bangladesh.
And in India, how many states?
More than 25 states we are operating.
Almost.
Yeah, almost everywhere.
Now, you were, before we started, you were telling me this interesting journey on how you were in the IT sector.
Yeah.
And you opened a first preschool, and then you left that job. Okay, why don't you talk us through what happened then?
See, I did my masters in physics, and then at that time the computer revolution was happening. So I joined one of the franchise partner of Wipro as customer support trainee, not an engineer, as a customer support trainee at a stipend of 1,300 rupees. So my journey started from 1,300 rupees in 1991. I worked with those service centers for almost 1.5 years. Then I quit the job, because the background from where I came, I always think of doing something big. So I quit the job and started doing my own computer business. After few months, I came back to Wipro regional head to ask for the franchise. So I took the franchise of the Wipro, and from there 2004 to 2009 I continued working in the field of computer maintenance and sales. I am from a typical Rajput family, so it was very difficult to take out my wife for some job, or she can't pursue her ambitions. But my father was very supportive. So in year 1999, we planned for a preschool for her. क्योंकि पापा ने कहा कि बेटा तेरी मम्मी इसको जॉब तो नहीं करने देगी, let's start a preschool for her. So that was the reason we entered into education field. She worked very hard, and at that time the concept of preschool was not so popular. We struggled a lot. We went to every door, knocked every door कि आओ अपने बच्चे को एडमिशन कराओ हमारे स्कूल में. But hardly in the first year we had 17-18 students. But we never lost our courage. We kept on working hard. We hired more experienced staff, innovated more new things for the children, to attract the children, to educate the children, and gradually our school started picking up.
I have something to show you on the screen, so let's have a look.
My father is my idol and somebody I love from the bottom of my heart. I guess I always try to imitate him. Whether in childhood I used to imitate the way he used to walk or talk, and now the way he works.
I'm lucky enough to have my mentor, my guide in one person. That is my father, who is known to be a legendary in education system in India.
He's a great father to me, and not only to me or Sneha, but to the entire family of Sanford. I am truly blessed to have him in my life. Throughout, he's been very supportive. He always tests me, and I guess that's how a great entrepreneur or a great father is all about, right?
Thank you so much for raising me for the person I am today and making me bold enough to rise as the youngest educationist of the country.
Good, that's very good. What is all this growth for? Is it for money? Is it because I understand you said before that you don't work for money. So if you don't work for money and there's all this growth, I mean, what is your motivation to grow so much?
I would like to tell you about my childhood, the
Sure.
background from
Whatever
where
you feel.
I have come from. See, I am from a very poor farmer family. My father came to Delhi just for my education and to find out some job, to earn something. And he worked as a laborer in one of the textiles mills in Delhi. His only ambition was to educate me. He was not educated, but he was very talented. He knows that time also the only way to succeed in the life is the education. So even after all the odds, my mother, father both struggled a lot to educate me, to fund my education.
Where was your father's farm?
We are from UP,
Okay.
a small village of Uttar Pradesh, and
Where is that village?
that village when I born, it was in district Agra, and today it is in district Firozabad.
And what did you grow there? What crops are grown?
See, we had a very small piece of land which is not sufficient to even feed us.
Okay.
So that's why my father came to
It is
Delhi.
really small farmer.
Yeah, very small.
Okay.
So my
The
father,
land was so less that even one family can't.
even one family can't survive.
So how big is? I don't know.
This
because-
is somewhere around 3 bighas of land.
Okay. So
I don't know how much biga count, but this was 3 bighas of land. So my father came to Delhi. Then all my education happened in Delhi. My father and mother both worked very hard to give me, slightly better life and educate me. Everyday challenge was there.
Wow, that's a wonderful thought. We have a message for you on the screen.
Mr. Rathod is well-known childhood friend, and he is a very determined person. Whatever he thinks, he takes the challenge. So he took the challenge to become the educationist, and he now. His journey is started from zero to now become the millionaire, and it is very determined, and whatever he thinks, he does.
अभी तक का सफ़र काफ़ी स्ट्रगल भरा रहा। हम दोनों की मेहनत, ईमानदारी और ये जुनून ने आज इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया। हम इन्हीं कारणों से मैं किचन से निकलकर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बन पाई।
That's very nice. How is Sanford special? I mean, what makes it special? What makes the school different from other schools?
See, I tell you, you go to any lane in the country, in metros or big cities, you will find at least 4-5 preschools. But how different we are working, what make us so successful and popular in short span of time, that is the human touch. The kind of care we give to our children, that is different from other people. You go to any preschool of ours, you will find either our branch head or franchise owner standing on the gate to receive the children. So, if any query of the parent is there, that will sort it out at the school gate itself. So, every student is given individual attention. So, the kind of setup we have, that is so attractive, even on the holidays children want to come to the school. That is so child friendly, that is so playful, children don't want to go home after the school is over.
In these last 10 years, like a lot of people would have supported you and helped you overcome difficulties. Firstly, what were some of the biggest difficulties, and who are the people who really stood by your side and you want to thank?
See, first of all, I would like to thank my parents.
How do they feel about all this? So much growth, so much.
See, unfortunately, my father is no more. He left me last year, and I am happy. I was born in a poor family, and when my father left me, he was, he has all the facilities. So, secondly, my wife, who gave me this profession, she is still working very hard, more than me, and my children, they have adopted my profession like anything. And one of my friend, Kishan Agarwal, who always stood behind me. जब हमने ये स्कूल शुरू किए, तो he was the only person who called up every day कि आज कितने admission हुए. Whenever any kind of support required, he is always with us. So, and I have got a very good team of people. Everybody who is working in my organization is not doing their job. They are working for themselves. उन्हें लगता है कि ये उनकी कंपनी है. This is the kind of people I have around me. That's why I am sitting here. That's why I have, created a brand. That's the reason we have expanded across the country and even in the neighboring countries.
Any message you want to give to the youth of India?
Work very hard, dream something big, and dream not only for yourself, dream for the country and for the society, and don't be self-centered. Whatever you want to do for the betterment of the society. Whoever has helped you in any situation, never forget, and always believe on the God.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Rathore sir, for coming. And we have a little tradition. I'll give you a little memento, and we take a picture there for our wall.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Chetan
you,
sir.
and I wish you all the
This is
luck.
a privilege and honor to have a great discussion with you.
No, it was enlightening for me as well. I learned, and I'm sure people watching this would be inspired by your journey. If you can do it, then anybody can do it. I mean, if all it takes is a will, hard work, like you said, big dreams, and certain intention to do something good. Good.
Thank you so much.
It is indeed motivating to come across people like Mr. S.K. Rathore, who have reached great heights and created a significant mark in the field of education with their hard work and dedication. As long as educationists like him are setting an example for the youth, India has a promising future. This is me, Chetan Bhagat, signing off for today. Keep watching Education Evangelist of India, powered by Great Place to Study, streaming on ForbesIndia.com.